Guys, oh my god. Tibby says that Kai won't be on the list anymore.
All right, guys, we're not going to do this because I had to deal with the Kai video. I'm not dealing with this with Rain. So we're just going to move into it. Hop on the carrot, ride the carrot, something with the carrot. Let's go.
We're not riding the carrot, man. That's something that you just don't do. You don't ride the carrot. That's weird. We're not here to be doing things like that with the vegetables, okay? We're hopping on the carrot.
Not the
because
vegetables.
We're going down the rabbit hole.
Not the vegetables.
The carrot is a vegetable. Who's these?
Shut up, Risu.
Kai does it better. That neck was way too big on his neck.
Not being judgmental because it's not Kai.
Hiss. Wait, angry squirrel noises. I don't know. I don't know what angry squirrel noises sound like, so I just said that. Like a magnet?
How you just gonna interrupt that couple?
See, he was rubbing his neck because that thing was too heavy. Wait,
that's not the same guy.
I was like, wait, is this a different dude? I guess he's thankful that he doesn't have that ball and chain on his neck.
Oh, this came out this year.
Future Engine, huh?
I didn't realize it was new. I thought it was behind.
Baby, I'm a boss. I won't waste time no more. 난 너랑 나 단둘이 지금이라도 날아가고 싶어. You ain't gotta worry about 너무 걱정하지 마, baby. 하나, 난 우리 둘을 지켜. Settle down, it's forever now. 대충 내려놔. 잠시만이라도, 잠시만이라도. Why don't we? Why don't we? Why don't we? We. Why don't we? Why don't we? 잠시만이라도 잠시만이라도 Why don't we
I'd be too afraid that I end up with a paper cut on my eyeball. Wait, is that red sand?
That woman's in a full split over his head.
Well, as long as she ain't peeing on him. I'm sorry. That footwork had me breaking ankles.
Bruh. And he knew he killed it.
Yo, exactly.
He was like, and I did that.
He was like, I did that shit. What?
Wait. Jesse. Ma'am. I'm sorry, what month did that say? Oh, that was not long ago.
Huh.
형 요즘 좋으시겠어요? 하는 일마다 다 잘 되시네.
아, 똑같지 뭐. 너야말로 요즘 난리도 아니던데. 명성이 자자해.
그래도 형 따라가려면 뭐
금방 따라잡혔던데. 넌 스탄가 방법을 안 가르쳐.
I recognize him.
Me too. That's why I was like, why does
Is
he look
he on
familiar?
Man on a Mission?
I haven't seen that.
I don't know who's.
I want her shoes, but it doesn't go with that dress.
Oh, good gracious. He's literally JYP, the owner of JYP.
네 옆에 내가 맞는 것 같아 내게 기회를 줘
Literally the CEO of one of the big three.
What's up with the whole outfit? He look like he hot in it.
네가 남자가 있다는 사실 알아 그 남자에게 미안하지만 그 자리가 탐나 나쁘지 않은 사람인 것도 알아 하지만 그와 있기에는 네가 너무 특별하잖아 너를 어떻게 대처니 네가 얼마나 특별한지
This is definitely giving me really old school vibes because of
Well,
the
JYP, let me see when he was big. This gives me 90 vibes.
beat. Yeah, same. Because look at the pants and the jacket. I kind of feel, what is it, MC Hammer vibes?
Oh, he's no longer the CEO, but
He looks like Korean Bruno Mars.
I don't think that's fair because he's been out longer than Bruno.
Huh. Yeah. That's not fair. like that. Bruh, I'm definitely hopping in that Jeep. I ain't trying to feel every bump in the road. Oh! Excuse me, chick.
Okay.
Huh.
I'm trying to figure out. Hold on. Give us a second. Because I want a moment to do like some quick research. I was trying to figure it out before.
I'm sorry, llamas, if you could hear my background.
1994, 2001. Maybe he is. Oh, wait.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to pull up his Wikipedia page. Everything's being difficult.
Oh.
Yeah, he debuted. He rose to stardom in 1994.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And in 1997, he became the founder and co-CEO of JYP Entertainment.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Learn something new every day.
Whoop.
And that was just in December, so.
Mm-hmm.
No. Shanghai. I don't know why I did that, like the world wasn't going to.
Tweet.
Oh.
Ew. Yeah. Not in his mouth. Made me want to wear a mask to sleep.
Yeah. I don't even know that man was alive.
It don't matter.
Oh, this is 2008.
No wonder why the graphics were kind of, Matrix.
I gotta be a bad boy. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. 나를 보는 시선들을 느껴. How do you feel? Make some noise. Make some noise. 피하려고 애를 써도 느껴지는 나의 rainism. Rainism. I make you rainism. Rainism. 넌 이제 빠져버렸어. I'm gonna be crazy now. It's crazy now. 넌 이제 벗어날 수 없어. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. 떨리는 네 몸 안에 돌고 있는 나의 magic stick. Magic stick. 더 이상 넘어갈 수 없는 한계를 느낀 body shake. Body shake. I make you rainism. Rainism. 내 몸을 느껴버렸어. I'm gonna be crazy now. Yes, crazy now. 느껴봐 나의 모든 걸. Break it down. It's time to get down. I make you rainism. Rainism. 넌 이제 빠져버렸어. I'm gonna be crazy now. I'm gonna be crazy now. I'm gonna be crazy. I make you rainism. Rainism. Can you feel me? 느껴버렸어. Crazy now. I'm gonna be crazy. I'm gonna be crazy. Can you feel me? 느껴버렸어. 느껴버렸어. I'm gonna be crazy now. This is crazy now. 나의 모든 걸.
I'm not feeling this imagery.
Oh, hey,
It's too much going on. I don't like it.
go. Hey, oh, JR, yo. Still love, yo. Bring the beat back. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Put your hands up. This is JT Camp.
That was way too much going on.
I'm just glad for the growth. Since then.
And to be honest, now that I think about it, because at first I was like, Matrix vibes. But then I was just like, wait, no. This is like a whole Blade vibe right here. Like, nah, we're not doing that. That wasn't cute.
This is 2014.
I hope this is better. That's all I'm saying.
Well, we know his new stuff we like, so.
Verse 1. 너의 모든 걸 알아 신경 쓰지 마 느낄 수 있는 건 무대 위에 너와 나 처음부터 우릴 보여주진 않을 거야 숨속
How is he standing across from a giant shoe?
Yeah, another song that I wasn't exactly feeling either.
Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can. No, Shiny, not right now, babies.
I'm getting really exhausted.
By him or by everything?
No, I'm just getting really exhausted. I'm getting really tired.
Okay, 1 second. If I can find something more recent that we haven't already heard. Well, it seems like we're going to this one.
Okay.
And then we're going to end on this.
All right. Please don't be disappointing.
서서히 난 모든 것을 포기할 때쯤 날 안아준 건 너였어 날 붙잡아준 건 너였어 그랬어 그래 너였어 사람들은 내게 말해 별볼 일 없다고 그때 너는 내게 말해 나밖에 없다고 내가 어떤 상황이든 내가 어떤 방황이든
Really Texan style.
향해 웃어주는 이 세상이 내게 준 최고의 선물
I already like this better.
Same.
약속할게 온몸으로 지켜낸다고 약속할게 온몸으로 널 안아준다고 그 어디든 내가 가는 그 길이 꽃길이 되도록 내 손길 닿을 수 있도록 햇살보다 밝게 오는 너의 모습에 웨딩 드레스보다 더 하얀 너의 모습에 낮게 꿈에 눈물 흘려 그 눈물의 향기를 느껴 나를 향해 걸어오는 이 세상이 내게 준 최고의 선물 너와 같이 같은 꿈을 꾸고파 영원한 너의 이름 가장 큰 기쁨 너와 같이 눈을 뜨고 같은 날 같이 눈을 감고파 네 번째 손가락에 키워진 반지 위에 영원을 약속해 모든 걸 baby 이 세상이 내게 준 최고의
All right.
너와 같이 같은 꿈을 꾸고파 영원한 너의 이름 가장 큰 기쁨 너와 같이 눈을 뜨고 같은 날 같이 눈을 감고파.
All right. Did he just...
That mood shift was something serious.
At the camera, though.
He was like, "Cut, okay."
Bruh.
Okay, I liked his newer stuff.
Same. It's the older stuff that had me going, in Snorfest.
Apparently, somebody put a collection of his stuff together. And it's 1 hour and 6 minutes long.
No.
I'm not doing that today. That's not what happened.
Nope. Risu is drawing the line. Risu is a very sleepy Risu.
Oh, she's about to be a napping squirrel. We will see y'all later, llamas.
Make sure you like the video. Make sure that you subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. And also, which one of us is going to end up with the hand puppet. Guys, later.